ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಟಾಟಾ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ 10K ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು 2024ರ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 28ರಂದು ನಿಗದಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೊಸ ಮನೆ, ಹೊಸ ಆರಂಭ, ನೆನಪುಗಳು ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಯೋಮಾನದ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ನೋಂದಣಿ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 15ರ ಗುರುವಾರದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾದ ದೂರ ಓಟದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳ ಪ್ರವರ್ತಕರಾದ ಪ್ರೋಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 28 ಭಾನುವಾರದಂದು ನಡೆಯಲಿರುವ ವಿಶ್ವ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಬಲ್ ರೋಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ 10K ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು 16ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಟಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇದು 100% ಕಾಟನ್ ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಝೀರೋ ರ್ಯಾಷಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 100% ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೂಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಖರೀದಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಖರೀದಿಸಲು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ 7996827256 7996827256.
People from all walks of life join this movement for varied reasons. For some, it's just the thrill of finishing a race. For some, to compete with the best of the world. For some, it's the start of their running journey. But for some, it's about creating a positive impact of the society. While we have others who just love being part of the sheer energy. Give us your signature. So that we're going to get you your pip. So if I could...
Everyone, delightful to be here. Just a small introduction about our brand, Subasco. Subasco was introduced in 1996 and it's known for its quality, nutrition and goodness. Many full marathoners are associated with, are on the board of Subasco. We fully...
Well, let me just try that tongue twister which Sunil was mentioning. And then we go Bengaluru. Did I get it right, Sunil? Probably. Yeah, I should be because I'm again a Bangalore guy, studied out here completely. So, Namaskara Bengaluru. Very good evening to all of you out here. This is our third year of association with Procam and TCS World 10K. Vivek, Anil, we are very delighted to be associated with the World 10K, and it's been a great pleasure to be associated out here with this fantastic event, which is more than a sport, it's a celebration which the Bangaloreans look forward to every year.
I am here from the Department of Youth and Sports as well as the Department of Forest, Ecology and Environment. On behalf of the Government of Karnataka, I affirm our full support and joining hands with this event, and we firmly believe that this event is a pride event of Bangalore, and also Procam and the TCS, they are promoting running revolution in the country, and we are glad and we affirm our full support. Thank you.
Indeed delighted to be part of this event. We are TCS World 10K Bangalore. We all know that Bangalore is a dynamic city. Bangalore is a spirited city and a young city. So we need events like this to bring people together, to show how much we care about being healthy, how much we care about running is about power, right? It's how much we care being powerful.
TCS 10K starts another season of festivals on April 28th. We at Fastened Up are only humbled by the love and affection that we get by providing energy drink and electrolytes to runners every event year after year. We try our best to live up to the expectations of each runner, be it the dream runner or the Maja runner, to the serious elite.
All of you participate and come together, and as we said, there were almost 30,000 people running last year, something which hadn't happened earlier. We sold out and it was a great success, and we really hope we can do that again this year. So I would really encourage everybody.
Quickly ask you to give your signature. So that means we're going to be seeing you also at the start line. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of
Shri Sunil Deshpande, TCS, Shri Girish, and the ITFC Bank, the way senior officials of the Karnataka government, my colleagues from the army present here, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and Jai Hind. I'm privileged to be here. I'm privileged to be here for the inaugural event of the TCS 10K. And we are very happy as representative of the Karnataka and Kerala sub-area. I must say we are extremely happy to be associated with this event. And this is for multiple reasons, and I would like to highlight only 3.
as our next round. We're going to be having he's going to give his signature. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause. Then I'm going to give you your whip number and everything.
Thank you, Pallavi. I have heard you a lot on your channel. You are a fantastic Kannada host as well as much as you are an English host. Really heartwarming line that I saw. Andigu Bengaluru, Andigu Bengaluru, Indigu Bengaluru, Bengaluru, Endendigu Bengaluru. It's a tongue twister, but I really love Nanu Bengaluru na hemmeya huduga. So
Mr. Rajendra Kothari will agree with me that every time we inaugurate, it's unmistakable. Fortis has 5 hospitals in Bangalore. The race stands for health, and so also Fortis, from sickness to health. Out of these 5 hospitals across Bangalore, there's a huge medical contingent of faculty, senior doctors who are very well known in this country, and the healthcare workers. So a huge number of our people will be running in the race. So alongside with you, you might find many leading doctors. So along with the police bandobast, which is so important, another important bandobast is the healthcare bandobast. And as usual, this will be very tight this time. And let's see you at the race. Thank you.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.